Welcome to our series, Ask a Heidolph Rep, where we answer your questions about our equipment. My name is Allison Shellhammer, and the question of the week is, why do you use tap water instead of distilled water in your water baths? We recommend using tap water because distilled or deionized water can actually corrode the stainless steel material used in our water baths. It's simpler just to use tap water and then regularly clean your water bath for any particle buildup that may occur. Thank you for tuning in to Ask Your Heidolph Rep. We would love to answer your question in a future video. Please submit them to hello@heidolph.com or find us on our social media on Twitter and LinkedIn at HeidolphNA. Thanks again, and we'll see you again soon.